So Monarto, they needed some infrastructure, and they knew that our ferry fleet, that we've got cables that we dispose of on a yearly basis, and they asked us if we could donate them, and we're very much obliged.
We've 4 different paddock sections along over our 1,1600 square hectare property. We've created this raceway which runs from our new quarantine centre 2.2 kilometres to the east out to our final paddock called Chobe, and the cable used here, which is about 22 millimetres thick, is ideal to stop something like a rhino from pushing his way through.
Ubutho was last weighed at 2.3 tonne. We haven't weighed him for a little bit, so he could be a bit bigger. White rhino can run up to 50 kilometres an hour. You want a thickest possible cable that you can get. You really want that thick gauge just to make sure it's going to keep something like this in. So Ubutho will be going from the enclosure, see next to me, this is just a holding area, to out in the big Etosha Wild Africa enclosure, to another enclosure where he'll go back through that raceway again, multiple times throughout his life.
There's 4 runs on each side, so 8 runs of cable over 2.2 kilometres. So we do need a lot of cable.
Each cable is about 350 metres long. There's 2 cables per crossing, and we replace our cables on a yearly basis. So there's this 8.5 kilometre supply of cables to Monarto.
And the cable donated by DIT has been fantastic because it's heavier than we could normally get anyway. So it's really, really great product to have.
So we do have some plans in the future to move more rhino through the raceway and through around to our Wild Africa enclosures. So having that, that cable around to use that for the long term, it's going to be really important.
So yeah, thank you to DIT for doing this, and we hope to have a continued collaboration into the future.